Ladies and gentlemen, Jay Haft here. I'm at the Empire Thrashery, believe it or not. It's over here by Eden, Wisconsin. And this is the Schwind collection. This is a 1954 SC4. And this is a 1951 VAC. This must be a collection of this. It says the Schwind family. There's a 1950D. They like their cases the way it looks. And this is a 1952S. Another nice looking tractor. And this one here is, this one's kind of like probably restored. This one's unrestored. This is a 1952 SC. Well, it's interesting how the steering comes out the side like this on this one. And then we got a 1941 SC. And then this one's restored. This is a real nice looking tractor. It's a 1939 RC. Again, part of the Schwind collection. This is a 1938 RC. It's in nice shape. What's interesting that this one is a 1938R. This one has the hand crank on it. And it's this new Sunburst red, flambeau red. It has the paddle tires on it. The steel wheels and stuff, which is, I don't know this whole story on that, why they would have it like that. And this is a 1939 R in the different color. It's like a military gray kind of. And there's another, this one's a 1938 R. And this one doesn't have a tag on it. It's part of the Schwind collection. And then a 1936 RC. And there's the one I did on that rat tractor. All right, folks. That's the Schwind collection.